Stop scrolling for a second. Imagine building a real web app that can create, read, update, and delete data, all with React, in just a few minutes. Sounds exciting? Then keep watching because I'm going to show you how a simple React CRUD app can teach you everything about modern web development, from UI, state, and hooks to API integration and clean architecture. Hi everyone, I'm your name. And today, I'll walk you through a complete overview of how a React CRUD app works, how to build it, and what makes it such a great project for both beginners and pros. Let's start with the basics. CRUD means create, read, update, and delete, the 4 core operations that every web app needs. A React CRUD app lets users add new data, display it, edit it, and delete it, all in real time. We'll use React functional components, React hooks, and a simple REST API to make it work. First, let's talk about structure. Your project will have components for displaying data, a form for creating or editing items, and a service file to handle all your API requests using Axios or Fetch. Keep your code organized, components for the UI, hooks for logic, and services for API calls. That's the key to a clean and scalable React app. Now, the core logic. For reading data, use a custom hook like useFetch. It loads the data, tracks loading and error states, and refreshes automatically. For creating or updating, use another hook, like useMutate. It handles post and put requests, and you can even add optimistic updates so the UI feels instant. And for forms, a simple useForm hook makes it easy to manage inputs, handle validation, and reset fields. Here's a powerful tip. Separate your logic from your UI. Let hooks handle data, and let components handle how things look. This makes your app faster, cleaner, and easier to maintain. Trust me, it's a game changer. Now let's talk about user experience. Always show loading indicators. Handle errors gracefully. Validate inputs. And never forget accessibility. Proper labels, contrast, and keyboard navigation make your app professional. For styling, you can use Tailwind CSS or simple CSS modules. Keep it clean and minimal. Focus on usability, not decoration. Once your app is running locally, test it. Try adding new items, editing, and deleting. If it all works smoothly, congratulations, you've just built a fully functional React CRUD app. You can deploy it easily to Netlify, Vercel, or GitHub pages, and share it as your first real web app project. Quick recap. Use hooks for logic. Keep UI and data separate. Test every feature, and deploy with confidence. Building a CRUD app in React isn't just a tutorial. It's your first step toward thinking like a real developer. If you enjoyed this breakdown, hit that like button, subscribe, and tell me in the comments if you want a full step-by-step coding version of this project. Thanks for watching, and happy coding!